Saan ka pupunta?
Ninong.
Saan ka punta? Saan ka punta? Saan ka pupunta, baby?
Ninong.
Kanina.
Eya.
Dito ka marap. Saan ka punta?
Ate Eya.
Saan ka pupunta?
Ate Eya.
Yung socks matanggalin natin.
Hello, baby!
Ano pa yung dala mo?
Hi! I'm here! Hubad mo na, hubad. Hi, Kuya George!
Ayan, yung pang...
I'm here, baby.
Hello.
What's this?
O, yung bibigay mo kay Lola.
Ano yung bibigay mo kay Lola?
Bibigay mo kay Lola, kunin mo na kay Mami.
Okay. O, Rafa.
Papa!
Ano sasabihin mo kay Lola? Ano sasabihin? Ano sasabihin mo? Ano sabi mo kay Lola? Bro, what?
Akin na yan. Yung bungis-wis eh.
Rafa, parang nakawala sa haula eh. Rafa, pindot mo yung game ni Ate Ella.
Go to the pleasure park.
Ending mo, di mo.
Sila. Ayun, may sleepers pa sila.
Oh, no.
Kawawa naman si Rafa. Hi! Hi kayo, hi. Hi ka kayo, George. Hi! Hi! What are you doing? Ilaw, Daddy. Yan. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, guys? Kids.
Well, this is our kid club. We're just playing kid clubs, and I'm the
Kid club.
I'm the lady kid club.
Rafa, naiintindihan mo sila? Kaya mo mag-English? Pakita mo, Rafa! Rafa, what's this? What's this?
I heard her.
Ano? Oh.
I heard her.
What do you call this? Ano to, Rafa? Cortina. Cortina.
Come here.
Eto, what's this, Rafa? Tagalog si Rafa, what's this? Bed. Okay. Bed, Tagalog pa rin pala. Ano ba Tagalog? Rafa, what's this? What's this?
I think window.
Window. English.
I taught Rafa how to do my password. Hello, everyone.
Ano pa ba? Eto, Rafa, what's that?
The light. Yeah.
Light, aram. Kala ko Tagalog sabihin mo eh. Ano pa ba? Ilaw.
Heyo.
What are you doing?
I don't even know.
You don't even know what are you doing?
I don't
You're
even
playing.
know. I don't even know.
Liksi ni George, oh. Oh! Rafa, susuntok walking nito. Nakaka-tense ka, baby. Careful, ha?
Rana, play lang. Uy, no. Play lang. Dapat di ka tatamaan.
Gayahin mo na si Kuya George. Gayahin mo.
Wants to sleep with me here tonight.
Game.
Oh!
Uy, Rafa!
Rafa! Soli mo yung kay Ate Ella yan. Kay Ate Ella. Ayun na si Ate Ella. Ayan na si Ate Ella. Ayan na si Ate Ella. Ayan o.
Ella, wanna play build battle with me? Okay, fine.
Come.
Upstairs.
Raise your hand if somebody wants to sleep with me here.
Mag-sleep na si Ate Ella tsaka si Kuya George kasi nakapajama sila eh.
Of course, no.
Ganda ng pajama nila. Ay, ano gusto mo rin?
Hello.
This is your chair.
This is mine.
Dyan
Si
kayo
Georgie
nag-spoon.
Doraemon.
Asan yung Doraemon niya?
Rafa, careful ah.
Binaba. Meron na.
Yeah.
Ba't?
Mommy is just using my map.
Why?
Ah.
Why?
Mommy is just using it.
Hello!
Hello.
Rafa!
Don't
Hi!
jump. Don't jump.
Don't jump there, ha?
Too high. Raise your hand.
Hindi mo tamo ang bahay eh.
Di ba yung chair mo blue na ganyan?
Come here, Rafa. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh, yan. Kay Kuya George yan.
Ben.
Di ba nasa house natin yung chair mo?
Later.
Ipaikutin mo lang sa Ella.
Ikutin mo.
Ikot mo. Yung nilalaro natin.
One. No. No. No, Rafa. Come here. Stop. I need
Mabilis.
one.
Mabilis. Ikot mo mabilis.
Rafa, somebody get One bell. Rafa, stop.
May hilo ka rin, Rafa.
Give me my iPad.
Dapat hindi ka mag-ano. Yan. Ganyan. Nakuha mo rin.
Give me my iPad. Stop. Then why didn't you bring it?
Baby, mabagal eh.
Wala kay Ate Ella yan.
It's right here, George. It's right over there. It's right
Oh,
over
it's
there.
okay.
It's in my desk. It's in my desk.
It's in my desk. Wait. Kunyari, you can tap
You can
like
spin like
this in
this.
your hand.
Spin.
If you tap like this,
Oh,
if you tap like this,
wow.
the other one will change.
Wow.
Okay? And if you tap again, you can change.
Wow.
Okay, who's it? One by one. One lang. You go first. Later ka na, Georgie.
Oo.
Ate Bel will tap on you, okay? Doon ka mag-start, Bel, sa may gilid. Sit down ka muna dyan.
Ay!
Sit down there. Sit down ka muna dyan.
Rafa.
Spin for
Ate Bel will tap your hand, okay?
Careful.
Okay, Bel.
Not
Ready?
spin for
Five.
now.
Rafa, wag na. Takot ako.
Mahulog na
Fight
naman
me.
si Ram.
Attack me.
Tama na, baby. Daw na. Play ka doon. Hampasin mo si Ate Ella.
Wala ka ng pilo.
Wala na pilo.
Ayan. Ayun, pilo.
Lolo.
Take off your headphones. Okay, yung dalawa naman, oh. I'm home.
Snatcher. Bigay mo kay Kuya George.
Hoy, kay Kuya George yan, Rafa.
If you know the whole Buster's Big Axe, elegant yung paggamit eh. One,
Hindi, narinig niya kasi take over ka. Kaya tinanggal niya.
fight me. Headphones yours.
Where's Ate Ella? Where's Ate Ella?
Look up. Look up.
You might,
Look up.
I might.
Look up.
Just take it off.
Want to go up? Wait, wag ka muna.
Wait.
The baby is coming.
Tatag naman.
I'm the Hulk, George. I'm Incredible Hulk.
Okay, and then watch the beat. And then you just watch. Wow!
It's okay.
Okay? Watch kayo? Mag-cheer kayo kung sinong gusto nyo manalo.
Ben and George, you have to fix my ipad. Come here.
You can go up and fix your ipad.
Come
You got
here.
it.
This is the grooming station and the resting station.
Resting station.
And
Smile! Rafa, don't look at Kuya Yuan.
Okay, you're gonna pick
Ayan.
who's what?
Okay, close eyes lahat
You're
kayo.
gonna pick who's what?
I'm gonna pick who's gonna be Slenderman.
Okay.
But you won't know.
Okay.
Rafa, close eyes, close eyes. Close eyes. Close eyes, close eyes.
I'm clearly looking at the floor. Ow! 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 Ow!
Tumalikod ka.
Oh my! Don't kill it.
Alis na dyan, Bel.
Okay.
And then... And then... Oh, get out.
I don't know which one I am.
I know who the Slenderman is.
Okay. Si Rafa. Si Rafa.
Okay. So, dito na tayo lahat dapat. In the room.
Sama ka dito. Dito ka, Rafa. Kama ka.
I guess Rafa's gonna play with us.
So, three of you is...
Practice ka. Oh, sing muna, sing. A fire. Mamaya, practice muna. 1, 2, 3, go! To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ang hina eh. Lakas mo.
Lakas mo. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Mamaya mas malakas ha, pagka nag-may fire na ha. Okay. Oh, hug mo si Lola. Happy birthday.
Love you.
Anong gift mo kay Lola?
Flowers! Ayun o, dahawakan ni Lola yung flowers.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Sing na tayo, sing tayo, sing.
Sing daw kayo.
Sing.
Sing ha.
Game. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Oh, blow na si Lola.
Okay,
Yay!
Follow Rafa, follow Rafa. What do you want to play, Rafa? What do you want to play? Hey, you. Hey. She's going up. No, my toy! Mayaan mo na siya. Look at me. Look at me.
Give mo na. Tas run ka, run! Give mo na, give mo na. Tas run ka, run.
Ay, Ate Ella, look. Wait, guys, wait. Sandali. Hey, look.
May nasira si Rafa.
Wait. What do you want to play? No. Oh, you're just perfect. That's sharp, Rafa. That's sharp. It's sharp. You're not allowed.
Tas give mo kay Kuya George. Run! Run, Rafa, run! Run! Kuya George, run!
Wait, Rafa, try to catch us. Okay, try to catch us. Rafa, try to catch us. No playing with this one. No running allowed.
Quiet running. Kinabahan ako raw.
I need to sacrifice myself.
Hala, yun na. Hug mo, hug. Pag nahuli mo, hug mo. Ulit.
No screaming. Gotcha, Ate. Get ready. Yes. Okay, everyone stand. I won.
Oh, pause. Pause muna. Rest. Inhale, exhale. Yan, ganyan. Lie down, baby. Lie down, Rafa. Lie down. Yan, rest. Ah, sorry.
Screaming aloud. Finally, if you guys scream real hard, it's fun.
Untog ka? Hindi.
Meron siyang pagkain dito.
Oh.
Just gonna take a little rest.
Okay, rest na muna.
Those who catch us, Rafa.
Pagod na. Pagod na. Hug mo sila, hug. Hug mo, Rafa, hug pagka nahuli mo.
We need a big rest. Everyone rest.
Oh, lie down ulit, lie down.
Rest. I'll tell.
Lie down, rest.
We're done resting.
Oh, lie down muna. Belat. Oh, malaglag ko.
Tulog ka.
Got it.
Unahan mo, Rafa. Come on. Bilis.
Got it. You guys are so annoying. I'm
Bilis.
Got it.
Oh, careful.
I run so fast.
Rafa, wala mo.
Yeah.
Nakuha mo, Rafa? Nakuha mo?
No. Georgia, I could see.
Got it.
Got it.
Rafa.
Patutong pa eh. Trip mo lang eh.
Got it.
Oh.
Careful.
Tatry lang ni Daddy.
The wolf strikes. I'm the
Hindi, ganyan ba dapat?
Teka.
Rafa, wait lang.
I do like this.
Teka. Oh.
Try it in this finger. I'm the wolf, so you should give
Ah.
me the free card.
Tatry ko.
This is mine.
Rafa, saan ka punta? Ayusin mo yung hair mo, baby. Ayusin mo yung hair mo. Rafa, baka malaglag ka, baby.
This goes for everybody. Oh!
Rafa, sleep ka na daw, sleep.
One more pillow. One more pillow.
Gusto ngayong ano.
What?
O yan, mag-sleep na kayo. Uy. Rafa, mag-sleep na daw kayo ni Kuya George.
I'm getting blanket for you guys. Here.
Wag na blanket. Aray ko.
Yeah, who wants get to Slenderina the Killer? Slenderina the Killer. No! Yes, I sliced you. You have to touch sound. I touch you, so you will be my Princess Slenderina. I'm the princess. Oh! What? Now you're bad store. Now you're bad. Now you're sharp.
Careful na, wala ng sword. Mag-run na lang ng... Punta!
Got him.
Pabalik. Doon
ka galing. Baliktad, baby.
Doon ka galing, Rafa.
Go!
Crawl. Bilis.
Paunahan kayo. Naman si Kuya George. One more.
You would go to Sushi Shop.
One more. Bilis si Kuya George mag-crawl.
Bilis, Rafa.
Go!
Ang bilis.
Ang bilis na.
Nakauntugan yata.
Anong ka?
Kauntugan sila ni Belle.
Nahilo.
This is our house.
Kauntugan.
Nahilo pa ata, Rafa.
Yeah.
Ayusin natin. O, game.
Yeah.
Ay! Hindi ganun! Sige, go!
Yeah.
Sisiw.
Yeah. Yeah. I need brushing. Ayusin niyo pagkatapos, ha? Ayusin niyo pagkatapos, okay?
Rafa, look at ate. Rafa, look at ate! Look at ate at ate Bella at ate Ella. Ikaw, anong kaya mong gawin, Rafa? Pakita mo sa kanila. Split ka, split.
Ako hindi ko kaya.
Split. Split. Pakita mo yung split mo. Ayan o.
Galing.
Oh!
Galing ah. Hindi nga ako makasit. Ang limit. Bakit? Did you go to ballerina class? Oo. I have.
Split! Oh, Rafa! Yay!
2 or 3 years of ballet.
Gayahin mo yung ginawa ni Ate Ella. Yung feet niya nasa head. Paano ulit? Oh, Rafa, gayahin mo. Oh, can you do that, baby? Eh, yung kay Ate Bell. Yung kay Ate Bell. Ano yung ginawa ni Ate Bell? Ano nga yung ginawa? Ano yung ginawa? Ay, hindi ganyan, Rafa. Look at Ate Bell. Ano yung ginawa niya?
Is behind me.
Nasa likod yung... Okay. O, Rafa, can you do that?
Touching my head.
Touch mo yung head mo ng feet mo.
I know she can do it.
Rafa, hindi ganyan.
Kasi tapos naman.
Oh, Rafa, mautog ka dun sa ano.
Ayan, o pwede na rin. Na-touch ng head niya yung feet
Oo
niya.
nga, totoo nga.
Lagyan mo ng
Tama.
O, sige.
Let's go.
1, 2, harap ka dito. Split. Tcharan! O, harap ka naman dito, tapos split ka. Habang nag-breakdance si Kuya George. Breakdance, yeah. O, Rafa, split! Harap ka dito sa akin, kay Mami. Harap ka kay Mami. Harap ka dito. Okay. Okay. Anong gagawin niyo sa taas? Ano si Ate Ella? Music nyo. Rafa, pwesto ka kay katabi ni Kuya George. Ayan na, ayan na! Look at Af.
Bye-bye.
Ano yan?
Harap ka sa camera.
Tabi kayo ni Ate Bell. O, tabi kayo ni Ate Bell. Go!
You need to move your leg.
Split! Split! Split, Rafa, split!
Rafa, split. Oh.
Ayun!
Parang kayo
Kaya antok na yan eh.
Okay, go.
O, dance, dance, dance!
Parang pagod kayo. Rafa, dance, uy!